What's up, team? In today's video, we're going to be diving into Kadena KDA, ranked 86 right now in the top 100 coin, as we guys can see right here. 258,000 people on the watch list, so that's a 250,000 approximately, and we are currently trading below $7, up 2.5%. We got a nice decent market cap at $1.6 billion. Now the question of the day is, can Kadena 30x from here? In my opinion, yes, Kadena can 30x from here. This can definitely be a $30 to $33 billion market cap, in my honest opinion. Guys, before anything, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is what I think. I'm heavy loaded in Kadena. I'm gonna keep stacking and keep buying the dip. And that's my 2 cents on Kadena. We're going to be diving into a few things like some technical analysis, see where it could go in the near future. Volume to market cap is a little bit low, 6%, but that means we have a massive move coming soon, in my opinion. We also have the KDEX, guys, the evolution of DeFi on Kadena, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, except it's going to be 10 times better. This is going to be beautiful. Another thing is the KDL launch, which is the KD launch right here, is the first truly decentralized IDO platform on Kadena. So this is going to be amazing. The first IDO on Kadena. So they're moving pretty fast, in my opinion. Things are moving nicely. The fact that this coin is around for about a year approximately, we're going to be diving into the chart, a year and a half. But this is amazing. Listed on Binance, I mean, this is crazy. This is, in my opinion, going to be a top 15, top 20 coin in the near future. But that being said, let's dive into the charts real quick. We got Bitcoin. We're going to be diving into Bitcoin at the end of the video because we know Bitcoin is king. On a daily time frame, we are on RSI. We are a little bit above 50. We have a nice room to grow, in my opinion. We're consolidating right now, nothing too crazy to see over here. We had this nice little pump, a nice little retest, I would say, not complete retest, but we did come back down to 6.4, and now we're just consolidating. So we had this consolidation right here followed by a pump. We know we need healthy growth, guys. We can't just have pump and dumps all the time. Healthy growth is healthy not only for the project, it's healthy for the market, it's healthy for investors, it's healthy for traders. And essentially, this is what we need. Consolidations are good, in my honest opinion. If we have a look at the EMA ribbon, we are not above the EMA ribbon yet, which is a little bit disappointing because we have Bitcoin and a lot of altcoins are above the EMA ribbon, but we are consolidating inside. And the second, guys, we do go above the EMA ribbon, we're going to see a massive pump, maybe to $10 right here, retest that resistance. And this area right here, the $10 is a pretty strong resistance area, and the reason why is because we had a huge bounce right here off the support, came back down, so this is pretty important to see. But let's have a look at the moving averages real quick. That being said, we are above the 50 moving average, which is good. Of course, we are below the 200 moving average. We haven't been above it since the 24th of February, but that's not so crazy. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is what I like. We are above the 200 moving average, which is huge. We are also seeing this bull cross right here, or this golden cross on the 200 and on the 4 hour time frame, which is the 50 moving average crossing over the 200. This is fantastic move. We had a nice little breakout right here. We came back, retested that 200 moving average, and now we're essentially bouncing back up. So we know that once we have a massive breakout from a big area, we usually come back, retest, and then pop back up, and this is exactly what we did right now. So this is why using the 200 moving average is pretty important, in my opinion, and it should always be used. Anyways, this is a quick update on Kadena on the 4 hour time frame. If we have a look at the 1 hour time frame as well, we are above the 200 as well. We came back, had that nice breakout, came back, retested it, and in my opinion, after this bounce right here, we should be going up, assuming that Bitcoin stays above. Now, Bitcoin is in a consolidating term right now, a consolidating pattern. If we have a look at Bitcoin, because we know Bitcoin is king, there's no question about that. Bitcoin's the leader. We know that when Bitcoin dumps, market dumps. Right now, Bitcoin is just consolidating right now. Nothing too crazy. Can this be a potential bull flag? Bull flag, sorry. That's very possible. it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens here on the 1 hour time frame in the immediate short term. A lot of people are, including myself, think that we're going to come back down to 45,000, 44,800, high 44,000s. So for this to happen, I mean, we could have a Bart Simpson pattern here happening. As we can see, guys, this is Bart Simpson, and then come back up. Maybe after that, we could reach 50K, 52K. But first, we're going to have to break this resistance support on the Bart Simpson pattern. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. I mean, this consolidation is definitely healthy. If I pull the RSI real quick, I mean, look at that. We are looking good on the RSI. We are looking very, very healthy. I mean, look at that. We are currently at 61. The last time we were at 61, look where Bitcoin was. Bitcoin was right here. Okay, Bitcoin was at 44, 45,000. Okay, so we have some room to grow, because the last time, this is good news. Let's just say that. Okay, when we go lower and the price stays high, this is very, very good news. Okay, because assuming the RSI keeps falling down because Bitcoin is in a consolidation way, and consolidation time zone or time frame, sorry, we're probably going to see something like this. Okay, maybe like that. Maybe we're going to be overbought right here, oversold right here, and Bitcoin will be at 44,000. Now look, the last time Bitcoin was oversold, we were right here. We were all the way at this region. Okay, and then we had this massive breakout. So we could potentially see something like this again if Bitcoin does come back all the way low. Bitcoin is looking very, very bullish in my opinion. We could definitely see something like this. So to see an explosion of 30% in the near future, I mean, that's very, very possible. This could bring Kadena easily to, you know, $20, $30, back to the all-time highs in my opinion, by the time Bitcoin that's 70K again. Bitcoin above 53K is going to be very, very bullish in my opinion if we manage to break above it. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment what you guys want me to talk about. Merch is coming soon. By the way, guys, we got merch coming soon. So subscribe. We got crypto merch. Is going to be exciting news coming. And that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. I will be talking about VRA Veracity. Peace.